Hello, you're welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you how to mix a reggae dancehall beat. So I made these beats as a remix to the artist Southeast Soul song titled Susanna. So I made a reggae version of it, and this is the beat we use for this tutorial, where I'll section it into three parts: the drums, the melodies and chords, and then the vocals. Alright, so I've already arranged my drums here, then my melodies and leads and chords progression already here. Then these are my vocals. Yes, the vocals, the a cappella for the song. I do not own the a cappella, it's just for remix purposes and for this tutorial also. So here I'll start by mixing the drums, but first of all, let's see how the song sounds like.
Somebody loves you, Susanna. I hope you're happy now. See you flexing on the ground with your sponsor, Susanna.
Alright, so that's quick run through of the song. So let's get in. So we solo the drums. Solo the drums. I'll listen to just the drums. Alright, so you're already linked to the mixer. I'll have to resize the playlist a little bit so we can go back and forth with the mixer. So we start with the kick drums. I usually start with the kick drums. I think this is the kick drum. Listen to it. Add some EQ, take off some low end, just a little, then do some boost here. Alright, that's that basically for the kick drum. Then we'll go on to the next recurring sound, the snare. But for this song, some percussions and the snare already lined up together, so we'll mix it as a whole. I think this is it. Just add some EQ. The next, go to the next recurring sound. Then look for the next most recurring sound. That's another percussion. So take that here. There's something like that, a similar percussion. So I pan it to the left, and this other one here I pan it to the right. Since they are similar, they should be on opposite side of the spectrum. That is the sort of the stereo field, left, right. That's this. All right. Then we'll bring back the rest of the drums. Just added some EQ to cut the low end. Like I said, we're cutting the low end to reduce the muddiness. It should not be muddy, so that when you play it on big speakers or small speakers, it sounds as clear as possible with the low end and the mid range. So all right. The next your current sound should be this rolls. All right. This song actually has two drum sections. So this is the first part, and the second part of the drum section is here. So that's another row. EQ. If you notice, you have just been playing with EQ all this while with drums. We don't need this already compressed sound, so we don't need to compress the loops. We don't need to. I don't add reverb yet. I add reverb later on when I'm done balancing and adding EQ. And now for the second part of the drums, which is this side here, this part, let's listen to it and see. so we'll do the same thing like we did the first part of the drums. Start with the kick, little EQ, if you can hear it properly, this kick has some high frequencies. You can see from the visualizer on the parametric EQ. You can see information on the high frequencies there, so you take care of that a bit so it won't compete with the percussions and hi-hats. Just a little. We don't make drastic changes in mixing, you make subtle changes. Subtle changes lead to big results. So let's go on with the snare. If you can hear the before and after, with the EQ off, the snare sounds more muddy, but with the EQ on, it sounds clearer. So this is the sound with the EQ off. With the EQ on. Next, we go to the hi-hats and percussions. So this EQ here on the kick is to increase the punchiness of the kick. Let me turn it off. So let's hear the entire drum section. Starting from here. Alright, so that's how to mix reggae drums. Yeah, so we did two sections of the drum. The main part of the drum being primarily reggae, and the other parts having that disco feel, that disco pop feel. So basically, we're done mixing the drums. Then next video, we'll head on to building the mix for the melodies.